Hi everyone, it's Emilia here. Welcome to my first video in 2023. Happy New Year! This year I'm going to use the stuff I have in my craft room, older collections. I just want to use them. I think it's a good time to stop buying the new products and use whatever I have. I will try to use the things which you can still purchase, because I have so many older products which are not available, but I don't want you to be frustrated. If you will see something you really like and you cannot purchase it, so I will try to use the stuff which is still available, maybe from time to time older things which are still beautiful, unfortunately not available anymore. Anyway, for this card I'm using the collection from P13. It's called Always and Forever. And also one of my favorite dies I bought last year. It's Elizabeth Craft Design. I don't remember now the name of the die, but I will link it in the description below the video. As you could see, I have prepared a few layers for my card. The card is, as I remember correctly, 10 by 21 centimeter. The first layer is half centimeter smaller than the card base. Then the second layer is 1 centimeter smaller than the first layer, and then the third layer is as big as the die from Elizabeth Craft Design was. So that die, it's a planner die, but I used it for card making. It has a lovely edge on the top and on the bottom, and it's perfect for this type of card. The set comes also with a beautiful macrame design. I really like it, so hopefully I will be using it more this year. And the other paper elements are fussy cut from the paper collection. I will also be using some handmade flowers and die cut leaves. If you would like to learn to make flowers, please check my channel, because I have over 40 flower making tutorials for different kinds of flowers, for Miran flowers, for paper flowers. You will find lots of inspiration there, I hope. First layer I usually attach flat to the card with double-sided tape and a bit of glue. Then I use double-sided foam pads or double-sided tape or just cardboard pieces to create dimension between the other layers. And this time I used the chipboard for 2 layers and then attached the macrame with dot of a hot glue. So macrame is only attached in one place. I prefer to do that when I'm still not sure what I'm going to do with the design of my card, because maybe later I would like to add more elements underneath it. That's why I like to bigger pieces attached just in the center, and then have that possibility of adding more layers underneath if I want. And you always can attach it in more places later. The second macrame piece is from paper collection. I fussy cut it, and I'm going to create composition on top of that. At the end I will also add 1 centimeter, and this card can be actually for many occasions. It's for birthday. My friend's birthday is coming soon, so yeah, I will have that card ready. But it could be a card, a wedding card, anniversary card, for anyone who loves boho style. That card would be just perfect. The leaves and swirl is from my own Lady Design cutting dies, and I inked the swirl a little bit so it's more visible. Flowers also created with Lady Design dies with flower 12 or 13. I need to check that, so I can link it below the video. And apart of that, I'm just going to finish off the card with the sentiment and with micro beads, and I'm not going to add any more elements. So as you can see, the composition is on the top, but because of the beautiful papers, the dye, and also that macrame fussy cut element, we don't need anything on the bottom. You could spread the composition and go down with it, but I think this what I created is enough. I will also add one little butterfly on the top and will be finishing the card. Okay, one more element actually. It's a twine bow, and then the sentiment, like I said before. For attaching microbeads, mine are just glitter styrofoam balls. I use glue which dries clear. I could add glitter to the card, but I didn't want to do it this time. At the end, I will also sprinkle it or splash it with white acrylic paint mixed with water. And this is it, my lovely followers. I hope you like the card. I want to wish you all the best in the new year. Have a lot of ideas, be creative, and enjoy creating. I will be saying bye. I hope you like the video and my card. Please feel inspired to create something similar. Please tag me on social media, Emilia Sieradzan, so I can see your creations. Have a lovely creative day. Bye bye.